So this is monday.com, like a board sa dashboard, board. Yeah. So this one you can make new task, and you can add the groups here, and you can add here the columns what you want here. So I made this like a simple automation. Example, there's a task here. Then you will assign to the person. Okay, it's me. So it's new task. So date, example due date, Sunday maybe. Then whenever I will start working, I will in progress. Okay, so now it's here, this one, and you can make. I'm stuck. I need help. So it will automatically transfer to this new group that I created. So done. Workflow is running. Okay, it's here now. Done. Done. This one. So if, for example, this one, client will cancel the task. It should come here. This one. So this is one of the basic automation that we can do here in the monday.com. So if you go here, AI workflows. But for me, this is the automation that I made for that. The status. So this is the status that I made. So here, the column that I selected is status. Status is anything. Then I add this one. If matches, if they matches this option one, I made 4 options here. So you can add more if you want. Then for each one up here, if status is in progress, then what will happen? This is the action. So move item to group. Which group? So I made this group in progress. So this is what I did. So if you edit, you can edit here. But if you want to make, so you can make here in the AI workflows. Okay. Okay, bye-bye.